Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create public IP full guide. Start by choosing a provider and deciding between static or dynamic addressing, then reserve or request the address in your cloud console. Next, configure your network interface and attach the IP to the instance or load balancer. Finally, update DNS records and firewall rules to allow only needed ports, and monitor usage and costs to avoid surprises. Begin by opening your cloud console and finding the public IP or elastic IP section to reserve an address. Pick static if you need permanence, then confirm your account quota and any pricing differences. Click Reserve or Allocate and note the IP address allocation ID. Keep a record of this ID for later attachment steps and billing tracking, and check regional availability to ensure the IP can be used where your resources live. Attach the reserved IP to your VM, load balancer, or NAT gateway using the console or CLI, then update your instance network configuration to use the new address. Configure your service to listen on the public interface and ensure routing is correct. Next, apply firewall and security group rules to open only the necessary ports and test connectivity from an external network. Finally, document the change for team and audit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.